Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, I don't know what I want to film. I just know I just want to put makeup on my face. It's been like literally 2 months that I haven't like full glammed myself, so that's what I want to do. I'm gonna start by using this hydrating mist all over my face. So for primer, I am going to use this one from Rimmel. So for my foundation, I am going to be mixing these two together. And I'm going to be using my Morphe M439. Let's see how it performs. This brush reminds me of the Ultimate Blending brush. Like, this is a bit more bigger, thicker, and more dense compared to this. This is a bit more fluffier. I thought I could switch it up, but it ain't happening, obviously. So back to the old setup. So for concealer, I'm going to take this one from Rimmel. So now I'm just going to let that sit on my face for a little while I contour my face. And for that, I'm going to use the Jordana stick. Okay, so, actually I'm going to do my eyebrows first before I do my eyes. And for that, I will be using my Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to use this NYX Full Coverage Concealer. I'm just going to clean them up a little bit. And to set my eyebrows, I am going to use this Essie Make Me Brow Gel Mascara. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Okay, so I'm just going to take this shade and run it through my crease with my new, let's see, which brush do I want to use? With my Morphe M441 brush. Now I'm going to dip into this darker brown right here with my Morphe M330. And now for my mascara, I'm going to be using my CoverGirl Peacock Flare. Now we're gonna move on back to the face. To set my face, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me powder. So to bronze up my face a little, I'm going to be using this Makeup Forever Pro Sculpting Duo. So for my nose contour, I'm going to be using my favorite Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm going to be using my Bahama Mama bronzer. For my blush, I'm going to be using my Anastasia blush kit, and I'm going to take I think I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called Coastline, I believe. So for my lower lash line, I'm basically going to take all the brown shades we used and just mix them all together, and I'm going to be using my Morphe M433 brush for that. And then I'm going to take some of that dark shade and just the dark brown and just focus that on the outer part of my eye. So now I'm going to take this Rimmel Exaggerate Eye Definer eyeliner and I'm going to tightline my waterline. And so for my bottom lashes, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. Now to highlight my inner corner, I'm going to use the shade right here. I'm so excited for my highlighter because guess what, guys? I'm going to be using the Anastasia collab with Amrezy. So for my lips, I'm going to be using another new product. This is the e.l.f. Liquid Matte Lipstick in Tea Rose.